Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this amazing cake, a pineapple upside down cake that everyone loves, and it's amazing, tastes good, and it's so easy to prepare. I'm gonna take you step by step so we can make this together. I will start with the filling or toppings, yeah, either way. I have here butter, about 60 grams of butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, maraschino cherries, without the pit of course, and pineapple slices from a can. And one quick thing, you can find all the ingredients in the description box. I melted butter, and to bake this cake I'm gonna use my cast iron pot. I melted that butter and I am adding the sugar, brown sugar, all over that, and this will melt in the oven and will transform in a glorious caramel, of course. Now place as many as you can pineapple slices, fit them in there, and also I'm gonna cut some in half and place them on the sides of the pot, so I can use as many as I can and don't waste that can that I open up. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. I am draining some of that syrup in which the cherries are sitting in the jar to be able to reach them easily. You can freeze that syrup and use it for other stuff in your kitchen. And as you can see, I put the cherries in between those pineapple slices. Okay, I'm gonna leave this aside because now it's time to make the batter, and it's super easy and really fluffy and delicious. I'm gonna need 180 grams of flour, 85 grams of soft butter, 80 milliliters of milk, 150 grams of sugar, 2 egg whites. I'm gonna take away the egg yolks, we don't use them for these. Sour cream, 80 grams, and I'm using one with 20 or 25% fat. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, or 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, depending what you have. Mix now dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix this good. We ensure that if we do this step, that the cake will rise evenly when we mix all these dry ingredients. Now put the butter in a bowl. As you can see, it's soft at room temperature, and soften it up a bit more with your mixer. Start adding sugar and continue to mix until all the sugar is nice and well incorporated. Add egg whites and make sure to incorporate those really good. You're gonna see that your mixture starts to be really nice and creamy. Time to add sour cream and of course vanilla paste. Mix again, and we have only dry ingredients and milk, and we alternate these until we finish them both again as well. So add a bit of milk, some of the dry ingredients until we are done with all. And this is pretty much the batter. So as you can see, simple. You can even use just a simple whisk. With a mixer, it's a bit more faster. As you can see, everything is nice and incorporated. Our batter is nice and creamy. I will scoop up these on top of the pineapples and the cherries and try not to move them from their place, because we worked a lot to put them in there, and the cake will look nice like that. Bake the cake in the oven for about 35 minutes and let it cool down for 15 minutes, and after that you can turn it upside down on your plate. Looks amazing, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you're gonna try this recipe and tell me your thoughts. And the cast iron bakes amazing cake, as you can see. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Give thumbs up to the recipes that you like and leave me a comment as well. Have an awesome day. Find reasons to smile. Bye bye.